Alrighty folks, so we've got our 1989 Honda CRX SI, and today we are going to replace spark plug wires. So we're going to replace with these guys, the NGK spark plug wire set. Alright, in addition to this, we're also going to need a little bit of dielectric tune-up grease. You can get any old grease, but you can use this. Alright, so I'm going to use just a little bit here that'll kind of fit into the valves, and I'll show you how that goes. So first things first, what I'm going to do is methodically take out the wires. I'm not going to take them all out at the same time. I'm going to take out this longest one first, and then install the longest one, and then take this one out, install this one, take this one out, install this one, and vice versa, and go from there. So taking out the wire set is really simple. You just really need to get a good firm grip on it and just pull it straight up. There you go. That's it. It's as easy as that. And pull it out. There we go. And I'm gonna when I put the new one in, I need to make sure that I will put the longest one on this guy here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease in the new one just around here, and then I'll show you where I'm gonna put it on the other side. So just need to pull up this guy. Looks like this guy's broken. Here we go, here we go, there we go. And then I need to detach it from the distributor cap. And that's it. Simple as that. I'm also going to put a little bit of dielectric grease around this plug here just to help with the fitting. So this is the old one. And then I have to get the new one and just kind of pull these out. And as I'm looking at them here, I want the longest one. It's just so let's find the longest one. And here we go. So this is the guy that I need to replace. Number one. As you can tell, they're actually marked. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, they're actually marked 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that one will be number 1. As I mentioned, I'm going to put a little bit of dielectric grease here, and also a little bit of dielectric grease here to help with the fit, to keep out, to help with the fit and to keep out moisture. Okay. Go. Let's do this. You can, I'll put a link in the description for the dielectric grease, but you can use almost any. It's also called tune-up grease. There we go. Just using a little piece of wood. There we go. Don't need a whole heck of a lot. And just kind of, there you go, pretty good. Let's use some on the other side as well. There we go. And just going to put it along this edge as well. There we go.
just saying how it's showing.
All right. I'll put this here, and now it's time to. I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit. All right, and now it's time to reattach the new one. Make sure it's snug. And that's it. That's number one. I'm going to do the other ones, and we'll go in fast motion. And there you have it. So that's it. I actually like how it's kind of looking. I like the blue. Kind of also matches a little bit of the blue PVC valve that's in there. That's from another video. So just to make sure everything is cool, I'm going to start the car and make sure that it runs. Alrighty, let's start the car. That was probably the nicest cold start I've had in a long while. Wow, good job.